There are many challenges when photographing nature. High winds, unstable footing, flowing rivers, rain and storms, and so much more. As nature photographers, we need equipment that will hold up through all of these conditions. We often find ourselves hiking and climbing across diverse landscapes, which requires us to be as light as possible. The Mach 3 is the best of both worlds. Offering stability and a lightweight form, we're able to capture the content that we need while also keeping our bags light.
The Mach 3 is Mike and my most frequently used tripod. Combined with the GX30 ball head, we can put any camera setup on the tripod in almost any condition with full confidence in the gear.
Now when I am really starting to put myself off the grid and need to travel a bit further into a landscape, the Benro Carbon Fiber is my go-to tripod. The bat is perfectly compact and lightweight, which allows me to take a tripod that I trust out hiking with me without having the weight of a larger tripod. At just 2.5 pounds, the bat feels almost weightless, but yet provides stability while shooting to allow for tack-sharp imagery.
I'm constantly putting myself in challenging situations. As a lifetime rock climber and explorer, I rappel into remote canyons and mountains and frequently need a tripod that's neither heavy nor bulky, but still gives me the confidence in its ability to perform. The Rhino Zero Series tripod fits the bill when it comes to canyoneering or mountaineering. It folds up to a small tripod that easily fits in my backpack while still giving me the ability to capture what I need from almost any angle.
Having a tripod that suits your creative needs is of the utmost importance. Whether we are traveling light into remote locations or requiring heavier duty gear for more specific needs, Benro's lineup of tripods provides us with options to endlessly create.